Welcome back to Product Critique,
where we review the latest and greatest products to help you make informed buying decisions.
Today, we're diving into what could possibly be the best pressure washer carburetor on the market.
The WHFZN carburetor for the DeWalt DXPW3425. If you're looking to upgrade your pressure washer's performance, stay tuned. The WHFZN carburetor is designed specifically for the DeWalt DXPW3425, offering an upgrade that promises enhanced performance and reliability.
This carburetor is built to handle the tough demands of a 3,400 psi, 2.5 GPM pressure washer, delivering consistent power for all your cleaning needs. Installing the WHFZN carburetor is straightforward, taking only about 10 minutes. Simply replace your old carburetor with this new one, and you're ready to go. It's designed for DIY installation without the need for professional help. Now, let's discuss how it performs in real-world scenarios. Whether you're tackling tough dirt or performing regular maintenance,
the WHFZN carburetor ensures your pressure washer runs smoothly and efficiently. It maintains optimal fuel mixture for consistent power output, which is crucial for achieving the best cleaning results. In conclusion, if you're looking to maximize the performance of your DeWalt DXPW3425 pressure washer, the WHFZN carburetor is a must-have upgrade. With its easy installation, robust build quality, and enhanced performance features, it's no wonder why many users are opting for this carburetor. That wraps up our review of the WHFZN carburetor for the DeWalt DXPW3425 pressure washer. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Product Critique for more unbiased product reviews. Drop your questions or experiences in the comments below.
until next time, happy cleaning!